So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a title to your table inside of a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote is opened up, what you have to do is obviously add a table to your design. So go to the top here, press on table. I will use this orange table right here as my example of what this could look like. So here's my table right here. Now if you want to add a title, the simplest way to do it is to press on the table right here, go to the right hand side to where it says table options, and make sure where it says title right here, this little checkbox is checked just like this. Now if you want to edit the title of your table, I can just say title of the table, just like that. Now if you want to remove it, you can press on or unpress this box right here, and the table is removed. So whatever you guys want to do, that is completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward. But that is how to add a title to a table here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.